In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Dynamics 365. Let's get started and walk through the steps together, ensuring you can access your Dynamics 365 environment seamlessly. First, open your web browser of choice. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whichever you prefer, will work just fine. Once your browser is open, navigate to office.com. This is the central hub for all Office and Microsoft applications. Here, you'll be prompted to sign in using your work or school account. Be sure to use the email address that's linked to your Microsoft Dynamics 365 license. Once you're logged in, look for the Dynamics 365 tile, sometimes labeled as Apps. Clicking this will open up your available Dynamics 365 apps directly. However, if you'd prefer, you can skip a few steps and head straight to the Dynamics 365 sign-in page by entering experiencedynamics.com sign-in into your browser's address bar. Moreover, if your organization has set up a custom domain or direct URL for easy access, such as something like yourorg.crm.dynamics.com, you can use that address to reach the sign-in page as well. After reaching the correct page, it's time to enter your credentials. Input the work or school email address tied to your Dynamics 365 license and then proceed with your password. Keep in mind the necessity for accuracy here. Double-check your entries to prevent any sign-in issues. Now, many organizations prioritize security and may require multi-factor authentication, often referred to as MFA. You might receive a verification prompt through an authenticator app, a text message, or even a phone call. Simply follow the instructions provided to complete this security step. By entering or accepting the verification as needed, you'll ensure your login remains secure and protected. Once you successfully log in, you may find yourself on the Microsoft 365 Apps dashboard. From this comprehensive page, select the Dynamics 365 tile once more. This tile will take you right to your Dynamics 365 homepage, the main portal where you can access all your necessary apps. Within Dynamics 365, you'll see various applications available to you. These could include options such as sales or customer service, depending on your organization's setup and what you've been granted access to. Choose the specific Dynamics 365 app that you need to work with today. Finally, there might be circumstances where you have access to numerous environments or tenants, such as a production or sandbox environment. If that's the case, you'll need to select which environment you'd like to interact with now. And there you have it. Completing these steps will take you directly to the dashboard or home screen of your desired Dynamics 365 application, ready for you to dive into your tasks. Thank you for following along, and I hope this video made logging in a smooth experience for you.